Hello, everybody. This is Cui Xia. Now I'm showing you how to use clips to record a video. As you can see, these three screens shows a different style, so which means you can choose by yourself. And you can see last two videos shows you the subtitles, but in this one you no need to have it because you can choose it. This is it. If you like it, I can show you how to do the details. Actually, you only need to do is go to the app and download this. You can find there's like global over there. You can choose the language. So I choose is English, and you also can choose your target language like English or Chinese or German or French like that. And then you can choose the stream you want to have. So I will use this part for my students to do the academic work, especially focus on their personal achievement. It's not like communication or conversation. Most of the times it will be presentation, and also we will use it for storytelling. So it's kind of fun. I like it.